Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you use Spotify app. So at first, just download the Spotify app and create an account. After creating an account, just go to the Spotify app. At the first thing you will see in Spotify app that what song you have recently played. Just like this song I have recently played. Just click on the song and here you can see the pause green button here. Just clicking it, I can again listen to this song. Now just click on the bottom second option here, search bar. Clicking on the search bar, you will see a lot of kind of songs here, just like a lot of kind of songs: sleep, K-pop, workout, radio, mood, rock, Latin charts, and so on. You can also search for songs in the top search bar. You can search for songs artist here, just like these, and the songs that you have searched for will be shown here. Now just click on the bottom third option here, your library, and all the artists that you have chosen in the very first while creating the account will be shown here. You can also add artist, just scrolling down and add artist option, click on it and choose the artist that you might like and click on the bottom down option and the artist will be chosen for you. You can also create playlist just by clicking in the top right plus icon, and here you can see the very first option, playlist. Click on it, just give a playlist the name and click on create. Now here you can add songs into your playlist. You can also purchase premium, which is in the bottom last option here. You can use this premium for free up to 1 month, and after 1 month you need to pay for this premium. So guys, this is how you can use Spotify app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.